Ow. Jeez. Doesn't even have an air filter in there. Welcome back to Me and You Garage. Today we have another car project for you. We are going to be replacing the cabin air filter on our Land Cruiser. Got these air filters off of Amazon for about 20 bucks. So you typically change your cabin air filters around 10 to 30,000 miles, depending on, your driving conditions, where you live, whatnot. If you're off-roading a ton and you get a lot of dust in your cabin air filter, maybe you want to change it more. If you're not really driving that much, you're just, taking your kids to school, maybe you can change it less. All the links and information will be in the description box down below. Ow. Jeez. Okay, so cabin air filters being replaced on this car here. Usually they're on the passenger side, right around the glove box area. 2 screws down here. Boom, out. Okay, popped right off. We're gonna open up our glove box and this pops right off. We've got 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. Whoops. Comes right off. You don't even need to screw that much. 2. Popped off easily also. Now this thing is going to pop off. This thing is attached up here. There we go. So wiggle it off. And there's some wires attached to here, so you don't want to pull too hard. This has got to be one of the more involved cabin air filters I've replaced. Oh, so just the whole thing can pop off. You don't have to take this thing off. Okay, now this comes down, and there's got a wire here, but we can leave this hanging. Yep, that's one. Okay, so they pop off 2 of the latches. There's one on the left and one on the right. Okay, popped one on the right, pop one on the left, both popped. Just gotta lift it up a little bit. Okay, and it comes right off. Doesn't even have an air filter in there. So ours here looks very empty and very clean. So comment down below to let us know if your 100 series came with an air filter or if our previous owner just failed to replace ours and left it empty. We haven't driven it that many miles, so we didn't think it needed to be replaced. But I just love working on cars. Just gonna slide one in. So make sure the notch here is up there. Gonna pop this in, pop, pop, boom. Now let's get the top one in. Make sure these wires aren't in the way. And just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Nice. Fits nicely. This guy, slot it back in here, snap. Now we just gotta put everything back into place. Wiggle this back in, this. So slide it in place and then put your, there we go. Now we screw it on the bottom. Nice. Voila! So just got done replacing the cabin air filters in our Land Cruiser, but we highly recommend you change yours in any car. Usually they're around the glove box. It's easy DIY project. You don't need to have an auto mechanic do it for you. It's like 20 bucks and you just do it with your tools that you have at home. Bam, bam, wow, wow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.